Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2016 Nissan Rogue. For this project, you would need a 10mm socket or a wrench to disconnect the battery terminals and also to the battery bracket. Your first step is to take off the battery bracket, as we're doing right now in the video. You use your 10mm to take off those screws. Just turn your wrench or your socket counterclockwise until you feel the bolt loosen up. And you'll notice too, once you take off this battery bracket, there's hooks underneath the battery box. You see that you have to, it's like a J hook, you have to hook back on for you install the battery bracket across the battery itself. Your next step is you want to go ahead and disconnect your negative terminal, which is also known as your ground. Then once you take off your terminal, disconnect that, then you want to proceed and do the same with your positive terminal as well. Just use your 10mm socket or wrench, turn it counterclockwise until you feel the bolt around the battery post itself loosen up. So now we're able to reach in there and grab that old battery out of the vehicle itself. Which right now it's kind of stuck right now because this positive terminal has been stuck on this battery for a while. So in this case, if you have some corrosion around your positive terminal, and what we demonstrate right now is just turn it slightly with your pliers, just kind of rock it a little bit so you can feel it kind of like loosen up around the post itself. So you see there's a lot of corrosion, battery corrosion buildup around that battery terminal. So what you want to do is, to prevent that, I'm going to give you a battery tip here on Battery Guyz. You want to use like some red battery terminal protector and keep those posts clean. Today we're installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this 2016 Nissan Rogue. And it's your first time visiting Battery Guyz with a Z.com. Welcome to the channel. And we're adding great value today, showing you some tips, exactly a quick access to show you how to take off your battery. Just give us a thumbs up. See, that's what we're doing now. See, we're spraying some battery terminal. It's like a red protector on this battery, on the battery terminal itself. When you see green post around you, see green acid around your sulfation, around your battery terminals and your post, is this battery buildup. To protect that, you just want to use like a battery terminal. You get that from any local or any National Auto Part place or any local Walmart. It's called battery terminal protection. So we're basically just cleaning it right now. And likewise, if you need a battery like this in the future, or any other vehicle that you might have, jump over to our website at batteryguyz.com. We are the world's best reconditioned battery experts, and we ship our batteries nationwide. Free delivery to your home or your business. Comes with a free set of gloves as well. And likewise, you are helping the environment by purchasing a eco-friendly battery as well. Recycle, reuse. That is the name of the game here in the United States. So what we're doing now, we're actually tightening up the positive terminal. We got our 10mm socket, and we don't just do car installs, we do everything. We do golf cart installs, solar, marines, RVs pulling up, and we do a lot of cool things here on the channel. So you want to go ahead and connect your negative terminal nets, which is also known as your ground. Use your wrench and tighten up that bolt as well. Subscribe to the channel. We show you exactly how we recondition these batteries. We recycle over 90,000 pounds of junk waste every single month. That is 2 truckloads of nothing but waste batteries itself. And we ship those batteries to get recycled to make new batteries. So what we're doing now, we're actually going to put back on this battery bracket back onto the vehicle itself. So to make sure you just line up those holes and get your screws handed. And you want to get those screws started with your hand first, you know, kind of like get them started with your fingers first, or you actually use your 10mm socket or wrench to tighten those up as well. So that's what we're doing now. So we show you the whole process, exactly how we recondition these batteries here. And we show where we go get these batteries from different customers around in the local area here in Florida. And likewise, Battery Guyz has been featured on several TV shows as well. Last year we was on the world's greatest TV show as the world's best reconditioned battery experts. So we are the first recycling and reconditioned franchise system here in the United States as well. If you're looking for a great opportunity for your local city or state, for your local community, you know, to have a small friendly town, your local friendly reconditioned battery shop, look into Battery Guyz franchise system here. And we have a hot opportunity here in the US. We are expanding rapidly. Again, jump over to our website and click on In the News to read more about Battery Guyz. So we're tightening up this battery bracket itself, and we're just using a long extension to tighten that bracket up. We definitely appreciate you for dropping over to the channel today and learning how to install a battery in a 2016 Nissan Rogue. And again, we added great value today and a great video. Give us a thumbs up. It helps push this video into the YouTube algorithm to show other people as well with ease how to install your battery. And thanks for stopping by. We definitely appreciate the support.